Everyone wants to be a superhero, isn't it? So, the Netherlands-based VP Instruments is helping us to become a sustainable superhero. Let's find out from Menno and Sjim how that is possible. Hi Menno, what is this becoming sustainable superhero all about? How you make me a superhero?
Well, we look for superheroes in industrial plants because a lot of energy is being used to generate compressed air, like all the machines you see behind us. But we actually measure what these machines actually produce and show them where, when it's used usefully, but also where it's used not usefully. And we look for superheroes that are targeting the air that is used not usefully, fix it and help the industry save money and reduce CO2 footprints.
And also I think it makes a big difference, right? I am here in Germany for a couple of days and I'm seeing the kind of energy crisis what the Europe is facing because of the war. You are telling that you will be able to help the manufacturers to control the use, otherwise help them not to waste energy. Am I right?
Well, almost, because we do not control the systems, but we monitor. The companies behind us, they have their own control systems, but they do not look at what we call the demand side, where the air is used, where it's leaking away, where it's misused and inappropriately being used. We have a sharp look on optimizing those locations and help reduce the amount of running hours of the compressors. And that's what a controller does not do, but by monitoring both sides, what we call supply and demand side, we can give a full bird's eye view for a customer to see exactly where and when things are happening and how we can optimize his plant.
I completely agree with Menno. One thing for that matter, if you are able to save energy, you are a superhero. Thank you, Menno, for doing that. But let me ask Sjim.
Yes.
So, is it only for Europe that you are making people superhero? What about India?
Well, we are dear friends with India because we know that your population is growing. We know that you all need energy in order to live your daily lives. But how to do that in the most optimum way, that is where we need your partners for. So we work with local Indian partners to cover the huge country that you are and to help you guys save energy as well.
I'm very happy, Jim, that you look at India as a community, as a society where you understand we are now the biggest populated country in the world, and it is very important that we regulate the usage of energy, use it wisely, and definitely thanks for helping us to be the superheroes, and I wish you all the best. Please come to India.
I will. Thank you very much for the invitation.
Yeah, when you come to India,
yes, of course.
meet machine maker.
Yes, indeed. Machine maker.
Woohoo!